Hey y'all, welcome to Installs and Pitfalls. My name is Angela and today we're going to be working on getting this butyl grease off my tinted window. It's kind of hard to see, but every time I roll my window down, somehow something inside gets butyl grease or butyl tape or whatever you call it on my tint, and I figured out a pretty easy way to remove it, so I thought I'd show it to you. Okay, so here I put a piece of paper in front of it so you can see the butyl grease a little bit better. And all you need is some kind of oil. Cooking oil is what I'm using, so I'm just using some extra virgin olive oil that I have. I'm sure you could use other kinds of oil. And I'm using a paper towel, which I know is not recommended on tint, but it's fine. Extra virgin olive oil and paper towels. And all gone. I guess it's up higher too. And all done. Now, just clean the oil off with your choice of a mild detergent. So it's usually recommended to just like ball up that stuff and kind of stick it to itself, but I don't find that to be very easy or fun to do. It's messy, it sticks to my fingers, so I like the oil method. And now I'm cleaning the oil off. I'm just using Armor All Auto Glass. Make sure you don't use anything with ammonia. All right, that's it. I hope that was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. And if you could please like, subscribe, and share, and maybe comment down below, that'd be really great to help our channel grow. We appreciate you watching. See you next time.